friends, and welcome back to my channel. So friends, as I told you in my previous videos that please go visit my friend's channel, so please don't forget, and don't forget to subscribe our channels. And now back to our channel. Today I'll show you a very clever but with no setup card trick with tutorial. And friends, let me tell you that if you take my channel to 150 subscribers, then only you can get the tutorial of the prediction card trick. So please take my channel to 150 subscribers. And now let's get started with the performance. Okay, so guys, here's the performance for this trick. So this card trick is an impromptu card trick. So and you can also use a borrowed deck. Then you can also see that all the cards are very well shuffled. I will still shuffle the cards once more. Okay, so once the cards are shuffled, I will take out some cards and make 3 piles of some cards from like this much, and we don't need the rest of the deck. Now I'll say to the spectator that please go ahead and select any pile. Okay, so for example, they select the middle pile. I will show them, I'll cut off from that, and this card is gonna be a card. Okay, so I'm promising that I'm not seeing this card. So just have a look at this. Okay, then I'll mix it up. So now your card is in the middle of this deck. Now I will divide the cards like this into 2 halves. And now just go ahead and select any card, means any deck. For example, you choose this deck, the spectator. I'll remove this deck. Okay, and this deck. So now I'll examine this card. Okay, this is not your card. I'll throw it. Yeah, now I have an experience that I can say that this is your card or not. Okay, this is one. Yeah, I know this is also not your card. I'll throw it again once. And then let's see this next card. So let's see this card. Let me examine. This is also not a card. The spectator will choose. Okay, this. Let's see. No, let's not see because this is not a card. Let's see this one. No, this is also not a card. No, because I know that this is only your card. Yeah, okay, so if you like this magic trick, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment below and take my channel to 150k subscribers. Now let's start the tutorial of this magic trick. Okay, so guys, here's the tutorial for this trick. So you need an impromptu deck of cards. You can also use a borrowed deck. So once the cards are very well shuffled, you have to make 3 parts of the cards. Now how many cards? Okay, so in each pack you have to keep 5 cards. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 like this, but you don't have to show that to the spectator, of course. Like this, 5 and 5. So, and you don't need the rest of the deck. Then you have to, then they can choose any that as a free choice. So for example, this time they chooses this card. You can cut that off around 2 3 or 4 cards. So let's see, cut off at the 3rd card. So it is a tutorial purpose. I'll see that it is a 4 of clubs. Then you take those cards, keep it at any pack, just mix it up. Okay, so once the cards are mixed, then you have to do like this in 2 halves, like this. But you have to see that you start from left to right, not from right to left, left to right. Okay, so once this is done, then you will notice that in another pack, third card is the spectator's card in the right pack. Okay, so then you have to force this right pack. So you know what the force. If they choose this card back, you have to just eliminate it. If they choose this pack, you have to keep it. Then you tell them I'll keep it and eliminate. So both the way you have to use this deck only. Then you don't have to show the first card and tell them that I'm having a lot of experience in mastering this card and I know this is not your card, and you just eliminate. Then what? Your card is at the now second position. Just do a double left. I keep a pinky break at first, and when I do, I keep it like this hanging out, so it is easy to do that. If you do it like this, and you just again maintain the pinky break and do it like this. Okay, so if it is like hanging out, you don't have to make a pinky break also, and you can do it. Okay, so then they will see, if you do a proper double lift, then they will see that this is their card, and you have to say that I'm gonna eliminate this card. Then you have to keep it like this and eliminate that card. After that, the card is at the top, you have to keep it there only. Now if the spectator chooses this card, you have to tell them that boom, this is your card, and if they select any other card, then they don't have to flip it over. You have to tell them, okay, this is not your card, this is not your card. Okay, whenever they select their card, you have to say them that boom, this is your card. Okay, so I like to perform it to the last one if you are alone and in a video, but if you are with a spectator, you have to do as the spectator wishes. So hope you like this magic trick, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and take my channel to 150 subscribers to get the tutorial of prediction card trick. And don't forget to comment below. Now bye bye, see you in the next video.